Good morning, children. Welcome back. In part 2 of prairies, let us learn about its vegetation. If temperature and rainfall is good, trees will grow. If temperature and rainfall is moderate, that climate is good for the growth of grass. So in the prairies, the climate is good for grass. Some plants of grass family are wheat, maize, barley, oats, and sugarcane. In prairies, Americans are able to produce more amount of wheat than the domestic production. That's why prairies are called the wheat basket of the world. From America, large amount of wheat is exported to Western countries. And important economic activities. The rural area of America, especially the western part of prairies, the soil is not very fertile. That soil is not meant for cultivation of wheat, barley, etc. There, grass is used for rearing of animals, especially cattle, buffaloes, cows, bull. So, cattle rearing is practiced on the western part of prairies. Vast area of grass on the western part of prairies are called ranges. In India, cowboys take care of buffaloes, but in America, cowboys move on horse or horseback. One cowboy is taking charge of hundreds of cattle. See, this is a picture showing American cowboy. Generally, black people are employed. Here it is a white man, American. Here, this is one American bull, looking almost like an Indian elephant, huge. The backside you can see the grassland ranges. Animals are reared for beef. Beef means meat of buffalo and bull. The staple food of Americans is beef. The staple food of people of Congo is cassava, that you know. The staple food of India, that is potato or aloo. Then what about China? That is, Chinese people may not like. If we speak about their staple food, see on the right side, American bull is grazing. One bull is having the weight of more than 300, 400, and even 500 kilograms. These animals are reared for what purpose? Let us see. See, Chicago, one city is there. That is meant for, that city is famous for slaughtering animals. The bulls and buffaloes reared on the western part of prairies are sent to Chicago. In a year, lakhs of bulls are massacred or butchered. Two blades, one from bottom, another one from upper one will come and cut off the neck of the bull. The bulls are taken to the central point of slaughterhouses on a conveyor belt. After killing, skin is peeled off, meat is sliced, tinned, and sent to foreign countries, especially European countries. Now, some points to remember. The western part of prairies are less fertile, and rains are also not sufficient for farming. That land is meant for rearing of cattle. Cowboys of North America look after the cattle in farms called ranges. Important crops are wheat, maize, barley, and oats, and even sugarcane also cultivated in ranges. Okay.